Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2011 30-foot Grady-White Freedom. Take a look at the outside, then we'll take some covers off and go inside. Some of the options: this boat does have a windlass, a bow thruster, has the hard top with outriggers, twin 300 Yamahas, under 500 hours. Boat does have underwater lights, boarding ladder, rocket launcher across the back of the hard top, rod holders on the side. Let's go inside, take some covers off, and take a look. As we enter our 2011 30-foot Grady dual console, you'll see many of the features: transom fish box or ice box, a live well, a flip-up aft seat, cockpit combing. Everything has been redone and custom on this boat. A remote for the Fusion stereo, the electric lounge that comes out for sitting on. This boat does have the refrigerator, the grill option, and the sink. Very nicely done. Boat is extremely clean and well kept. As we come forward, there's the Fusion head unit. Both seats are adjustable electric. This one has the bolster. You can see the bow thruster controls. Yet another remote for the Fusion. Push button start and stops. Tilt helm. This boat does have 16-inch Garmin GPS, Garmin VHF, Raymarine autopilot, Yamaha gauges, compass, speakers in the overhead box, hard plastic forward, soft plastic on the side which comes up to get air through. Take a look in the head. Spacious head. It is a marine head. There are cushions for up forward in the head, outriggers, sink. This boat does have a table. It is stored in here. Put it aft or in the bow. Very deep bow area, storage underneath on both sides. Cushions have all been redone. The windlass with remotes for the windlass, cup holders, wiper with water. This is a new listing, and as you can see, this boat is very well done. Any questions? Please call or email us at MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.